Meaning of dankness.
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 Dankness. Dankness is a term used to describe something that is unpleasantly damp, cold, and moldy. It can refer to a physical environment or the quality of food or other products. When something is deemed dank, it often carries negative connotations and is generally perceived as uninviting or unpleasant. Oftentimes, dankness can be associated with poor ventilation, excessive moisture, or a general lack of cleanliness. Overall, dankness is typically something that people try to avoid or eliminate from their surroundings in order to create a more comfortable and inviting environment.